firstly, Karishma, welcome to IWM Bus. Congratulations for this new album song, Saja. क्या बोलना
Thank you.
चाहोगे अपने नए सॉन्ग के बारे में, सजा के बारे में? बिकॉज सजा का नाम सुनकर ही ऑल पीपल स्टार्ट एज्यूमिंग. तो आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे इसको लेकर?
Soulful, it's beautiful, and it'll take you back to a very, very amazing place with your lover, I would say.
Okay, so जब आपको ये सॉन्ग के बारे में पता चला, when you heard the script of the song, what was your first reaction and why you said yes for this song? Because we have seen you're doing so much peppy songs and different genre of albums also. So why you said yes to
Tips,
it?
the biggest reason why I would say yes, because who wouldn't want to work with Tips? It's one of
Yeah.
the big music channels, biggest, production house in India. And they have been in this business for so long. So when I got to know it's with Tips, that was honestly my honest answer, that I would just want to do anything with them, because I know the quality of work that they do is fantastic, and they would make me look good. They would, and obviously then I heard the song, and Cookie sir, who was directing the music video, he's directed Jine Mera Dil Lutya, he's done Duri. So obviously the quality of work, the quality of the team together was so fantastic. It was like a dream team that I would want to work with. So, and the song is extremely beautiful. So I had but to say yes.
Also, Karishma, जब सॉन्ग की बात किया जाए, so how you have shorted in between of pandemic? मतलब shooting के वक्त कितना precautions आप लोग ने लिया था? Because I think shoot during the pandemic, during the March or something.
No, we shot this in December, and obviously there was like a pandemic going on.
Yeah.
But I would say that there was absolutely everyone was wearing a mask. Protocols were followed. There were very limited. With such a big song, we need a lot of people. But like the team worked so much more harder because we had smaller teams. So I would say there was absolutely everything was taken care of, and everyone was wearing masks. We all were shooting very safely. So I think that was also when I first went on set, I saw like our director shouting it out that everyone, whoever doesn't wear a mask, will be out of the set. So I think that gave me a lot of confidence. And I don't think I saw at any point of time that someone was not wearing a mask. Especially I feel so bad for people.
Yes.
So but they still like tights, and they're still wearing masks. So thanks to everyone who's been with us.
Okay, so करिश्मा, जब बात किया जाए शो की, म्यूजिक एल्बम की, तो हमने देखा कि जो आपका आउटफिट इज वेरी यूनिक. पहली बार हमने आपका एक अलग अवतार देखा है म्यूजिक वीडियो एल्बम में. सो व्हाट यू वांट टू सिंग अबाउट योर स्टाइलिंग इन द म्यूजिक एल्बम? क्या बोलना चाहोगे अपने स्टाइलिंग को लेकर?
I remember मुझे Tips से फोन आया था, and then I had a meeting with Cookie sir about the costumes. And मुझे लगा था कि they sent me like a few reference कि हमें ऐसा कुछ स्टाइल करना है. तो जब मैंने मैंने कहा, oh my god, this is like extremely sexy, and if they do it, it'll be so good. So I had my doubts कि यार ये हो पाएगा कि नहीं. But I remember the day our stylist was at my house and we were trying the outfits, and I was like, oh my god, the styling is bomb. Like they have styled me like I have never been styled like that. Like I think it was by far one of the best music videos that I have worked in, the best I have looked, the best I have been styled, and the best I have performed in terms of dancing. So yeah, thank you to everybody.
Okay, so Karishma, जब आप गाना सुनो और जब आप म्यूजिक वीडियो एल्बम देखो, इट्स टू डिफरेंट, बिकॉज नो वन थॉट कि ये गाने पे ऐसे स्टाइलिंग पे एक्टर विल बी सीन. सो ये कंसेप्ट के बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
I think it's a very cool concept, right? Because the song is so emotional, it's so like deep, and you feel like a lot, and it's so soulful. But the video is in contrast, where you see like it's very, very young. You see like a young couple going through pain. So it's a nice concept of being contrast with each other, and I think it works really well. Yeah.
So Karishma, you have worked in TV, you have worked in movies, you have worked in web shows, and now you have also working with a music album video also. So ये चारों का जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, चारों प्लेटफॉर्म पे वर्क करना कैसा था आपका एक्सपीरियंस? What difference you find in all platforms?
I think for me as an actor, it's not really different working in TV, or like obviously TV is so fast. You know, you like I started with TV, I started with Pavitra Rishta. So I think when you become very like you get accustomed to learning lines very quick. When you're doing movies, you learn quality of, you know, filming, you learn what really goes behind the scenes. There's so many interesting people you meet, and music videos are a lot about style. It's a lot about fashion and motion stuff. So it's different, but it's not different for me as an actor, because for me, I have to go on set and play a character, or, you know, do my job. So it's beautiful working on any of the mediums, to be honest.
Okay, as you said, your first show was Pavitra Rishta, and Pavitra Rishta completed 12 years. So what want to say on this?
It's nostalgic. That was my first show. I was 19 when I did that, and it's crazy. It's 12 years. Like, I can't believe it. So yeah, congratulations to the whole team.
Okay, so Karishma, any planning of doing any web show or movie right now?
There is something that I've signed, which should be on floors next month.
Yeah.
So yeah, you guys will get to know about it very soon.
Okay, so finally, any message for the audience who are loving your song, your shows, your web movies?
Guys, please watch Saza. You will fall in love with Sameer's voice. He is so soulful. His voice is mesmerizing. The video is so aesthetically shot. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love my style. It's a beautiful song. Go hear it. Give it a lot of love. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Karishma, for giving a precious time, and all the best for the further project.
Much, Shweta. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.